Yo, what's up internet, Tomas Peter here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to edit a stretched video, right? So yeah, on the screen you can already see the video. The client basically sent me the link to this video, which is recorded through some application called Soapbox or whatever. Yeah. And
the right.
Yeah, and as you can see, the problem is that the video is in some kind of weird format, right? It's stretched out, yeah. Yeah, so basically the client wants me to make it traditional 16:9 ratio format, right? So yeah, let's see what we can do with this. Yeah, I already completed this task. Yeah, I got the project here, right? Yeah, here is the finished project. Yeah, you can see this is not stretched. Yeah, so as you can see, here is some nested sequence. Yeah, another nested sequence. Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna change some parameters. I'm gonna create some nested sequences. Yeah, I'm gonna change the effect controls. Yeah, so it's not stretched. Yeah, it's possible to do it in Premiere Pro. Yeah, so yeah, let's see how we can do this. Yeah, I'm gonna create a new project and we're gonna go from the beginning, and I'm gonna go back and forth and use the finished project as a template basically. Yeah, so yeah, basically the first thing we need to do, right, is to download the video, right? Yeah, as you can see, there is no download button or anything on this website Soapbox. I have no idea what is this, right? So what I did, I used this application, yeah, called the Internet Download Manager, yeah, which gives me this button, yeah, and I can download the video, yeah. Otherwise there is no download button, yeah. So I use this. Yeah, that's gonna download the files for me. So now I can open the project, yeah, the new one. Yeah, so let's import the footage. Yeah, as you can see, it downloaded two files, right? Yeah, one is the video of the speaking person and the second video is the presentation, yeah, or whatever. It's like it's a PowerPoint presentation, yeah, basically. So yeah, let's import it to the Premiere Pro. Yeah, here we go. So here is our footage imported, yeah. Yeah, as you can see, it's some kind of weird format, yeah, so let's create a sequence out of this. Yeah, and now let's go, yeah, let's see what I did here, right? So we're gonna basically go back and forth, yeah, and just check what I did and recreate the project, yeah. So let's check what's the format of this sequence. 1280, yeah, by 720. Okay, so let's make sure this sequence is the same, yeah. Yeah, let's put this above here. Okay, the next thing we need to do here. Okay, so what we did here, what's the effect controls for this video? As we can see, the position is 205, 360, scale 75. Yeah, so let's just copy and paste this. Let's check the nested sequence 02, 01. What we got here, what's the parameters here, yeah? Actually, let's check what's the aspect ratio again, 1280 by 720. Yeah, so let's just copy and paste this. Okay, now let's nest this, right? Okay, let's see what's the other thing here. Okay, again, we're gonna copy the parameters from here. As we can see, it's different, right? Yeah, I already done some trial and error process before, right? I don't wanna go and don't wanna spend hours again, or I don't know, it probably wasn't hours, but it would take a long time to do this from scratch, right? You can use just some common sense and find out, right? This is just a quick demonstration. Yeah, I just have to play out with these parameters here, right? So it's not stretched, right? Just adjust the motion parameters, yeah. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it to the footage. Okay, let's see what's the next. Yeah, now here is another nested sequence, yeah. So let's nest it one more time, yeah. Here we go, yeah. Again, here you can see the parameters, right? 800, 360, 75 scale, yeah. So now you can see, very nice. The video is not stretched anymore, yeah. Yeah, the only thing what is this all about is just nesting sequences, yeah, and adjusting the effect controls motion parameters, yeah. That's about it. That's all the trick. So now you can see we got the person, yeah, next to the video. Yeah, the presentation is not stretched, right? The only thing that changed a little bit, that the person's face is a little bit cropped more now, yeah, but I think that that's not a big issue, yeah. we can still see his face. Yeah, it's just not so big. Yeah. And the video is not stretched anymore. Yeah, that's the main thing. Yeah. So yeah, now what I would just do, right? I would just cut off some parts that are not needed. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, here is probably some pauses or mistakes or whatever in the video. Yeah, that I removed. Yeah, here is some cuts. This is just some basic stuff. No need to. I also at the beginning, right? I cut off a little bit of the beginning. Here we can see here is some noise. Yes, this is some audio ramp a little bit as well, right? So we removed the noise, yeah, at the beginning. Yeah, but this is not related to stretch video, so no need to go over it, I think. Yeah, so yeah, basically I did some cuts as well, yeah, to remove the rubbish. But the main thing what we care about in this video is the removing the stretching. Yeah. Now what I would do, yeah, I would just do the classic process. Yeah, after doing the cuts, yeah, I would just render this video out. Yeah, there is no need to do anything special in the rendering process as well, right? We're just gonna maintain the 1280 by 720. Yeah, the ratio. Yeah, just same as the sequence settings. Yeah, nothing is changing in the render window. Basically, I would just render this as usually, nothing special. Yeah, so let's do a conclusion, right? As you can see, there is no download button here on this website, yeah, this soapbox or whatever. So what I did, yeah, I used the internet download manager application. Yeah, I'm gonna leave a link in the description or something, so you can download it. It's free to use. Yeah, and it basically adds a download this video button next to each video on a website. Yeah, so you can download every video that you find online. Yeah, even if there is no download button. Yeah, so yeah, I downloaded the video through this. Yeah, so that's like the first big problem you're gonna face, how to download this video, right? It's not so straightforward. There is no download button here. Yeah, so I use this application. Yeah, so okay, the next problem you're gonna face, yeah, is basically how to remove the stretch. Yeah, all is this about is basically nesting sequences, changing the motion parameters, right? That's what is it about. Yeah, nothing else. No need to add some special effects or anything. Yeah, as you can see, there is no other effects. Yeah, only changing the motion. Yeah, motion. That's it. Yeah, just nesting sequences, changing motion parameters. You just have to play around with it. Yeah, and yeah, just also make sure you have done 1280 by 720, right? You have the 16:9 ratio. Yeah, in the sequence settings. Yeah, that's also important. Yeah, we want the 16:9 ratio, so it's not stretched, right? Yeah, so that's basically about it. Yeah, two things to remember from this video. Yeah, internet download manager, nesting sequences, and changing motion parameters. Yeah, that's all is this about. Yeah, this way you're gonna remove the stretch. Yeah, and you're gonna have nice video like this. Yeah, that's it for this video. Leave a like, share it with others, comment, you know it. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.